Hi. In this video, I am going to show you how to share a PDF as a link. First of all, we open any browser, go to the search bar, and type wettransfer.com. Click on the first website. Here, click on Upload Files and select your PDF. Then, go below and click on three dots. Then click on Get Transfer Link. After that, click on Get Link. Now, your link is ready. Click on Copy Link. For checking the link, I will open another browser. Just paste the link in the search bar. Now, you can see you can download the PDF from here, but it will expire in 7 days. It means your link will work for 7 days. That's the way to share a PDF as a link. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.